enhance your boobs. Like me, I have a medium boobs. If I want to enhance that, oh my gosh, it become, oh, this has a big boob. Ah. But I have not small, guys. It's not small, it's medium. But yeah, I'm proud to it. It fits on me. It's okay, Tisha. All girls pluck their eyebrows here. Yeah. Nice dip dip. Really? Thank you. I know. I have a nice dip dip if I don't have, big boobs. It depends upon the boys. There's boys that like big boobs. There's also boys that, don't like big boobs. They want like small boobs or medium size, something like that. How's the poet? My poet is okay. It's not full up. There's a shape. I have a poet naman. I do exercise like sometimes. If I'm not lazy, I do exercise for my poet in order to have a shape. Ew. What ew ew? I'm gonna suntok you. Iwiwin ko mukha mo dyan eh. Filipinas usually flat and short. Me, I'm not so short, huh? But yeah, I'm short. I'm only 5'2" in height. And maybe now I am 48 kilos. 48 or 50, something like that, because I'm getting a little fat. I don't know. Petite. Short and petite. Grabe naman yan. Ay, nako. Kaloka kayo. You like Manila? Yes, I'm living here like 18 years already. I did not go home ever since I'm going here. I'm living here in Manila 18 years. Demetrios, hello. How are you? Shout out to you. Thank you so much. Thank you guys for the 13 likes. My gosh, I'm sleepy. It's already 11:07. Look, I'm going to sleep, guys. I wanna let my life on while I'm sleeping. I wake up. I need to wake up early tomorrow. I have lots of laundry. I'm from San Francisco. It's all 8:07. 8 yeah. Good morning there. San Francisco, California. You have been to the USA before now? But I hope soon I can go there if I'm gonna marry someone. Aray, sakit pa ako. Sakit pa ako. Mga alay.